Page setup is, is the process of setting up pages, because most often when we are working with word processing application or typesetting programs, the main aim is to print out. So this printing out will be done through paper, but the printing will be print into paper. So to determine your type of paper, how the paper will look like, how the text will be on the paper, is what we now refer to as page setup inside any typesetting software like our Microsoft Word. Now, depending on the particular version of Microsoft Word, but this review we are doing more on of the 2007 till 2019 layout. Though you can do your page setup after everything, after you have finished your typing or your typesetting, but it's very necessary that you start your program or your document or your work with page setup, because if you did not start with page setup, there's a very high chance that after you finish and you are not about to design your page setup, then the document will scatter, the document will disarrange. To avoid all this, it is very important before you start any new document in Microsoft Word. The first step is for page setup. Now, the process of page setup. You will click layout in the personal version of the 2019 or Word 2019. It's called layout. Some other versions is called page layout, so on. Now on the layout tab, you will notice some other group. Example, we have the page setup group, the paragraph group, and so on, the arrange group. Let's dwell on the page setup group. Or clicking the layout tab, you will notice under the page setup group there what we call margin. Clicking on the margin, a pop-up showing the most used margin or frequently used margins. Margin, as the name implies, are those or written in the outside border, the border of the page that you are not expected to be empty on. The reason is printer cannot serve for the extreme edge of any paper, but the printer has a hand that are used to hold papers. Apart from that, morally it's wrong for you to start typing at the edge of the beginning of the paper. So this is why the word margin becomes very popular in Microsoft Word. So to start, on the layout tab, under the page setup group, you click on margin. You now select your margin. The normal one is 1 inch from up, down to left. Or clicking normal, from up, down to left, everywhere will show as a normal margin. If you notice, even when I click on margin, nothing show, nothing. For you to see your page setup properly, it's very important that you first tip your ruler, so your ruler will show. To do that, on the view tab, under the show group, click on ruler, so that whenever whichever setting we are doing concerning the page setup can now properly show. So now go back to our layout tab. On the layout tab, under the page setup group, let's click margin. Example, let's click on the narrow margin. Now the narrow margin is the half setting of the normal margin. Let's click on the narrow margin. You cannot see yourself that the area that you cannot type or you cannot input data is now reduced with half. If I want to increase it, I will still click on the layout tab under the page setup group margin. Then I will now click on the normal margin. Now you cannot see that the area that you cannot type on the inaccessible area will now increase. In some special cases, you will notice that your particular set of margin or the margin that you want to set is not among the numerous margin here. In such a case, you will now click on the margin tab under the pop-up called the margin pop-up. Then you will now click on custom. You will now click on custom margin. You click on custom margin. Then the page setup pop-up or the BOS, they will now pop out. That will now give you access to the top left, bottom, right margin. It will also give you access to the gutter position. The gutter position is where you will hold the paper in case of binding, where the paper will be bind. So now you can now manually type your top, left, bottom and right margin, but it hardly come to this stage. Normal, when you are doing normal work, just clicking on page setup, clicking on margin, you have option of choosing either normal margin, either normal or narrow. In most cases it's normal, unless maybe that in this particular job you are managing space, or you are trying to reduce space. Is that you now click on narrow margin, which is 0.5 or 2. Let me recap. Layout, layout tab, page setup group margin. After you must have satisfied with your margin setting, then move to the left, which is your paper orientation, whether portrait or landscape. Before starting your document, because after, as I said earlier, after you must have finished, now change any of this setting might disorganize your document or your typing. So it's very very necessary at that beginning to know what you want to do and do the proper setting in order not to redo the because in the West processing application or typesetting and Microsoft Word, the main aim is to print out. So after you must have do many things, not just to type. After typing you set. That is why we now call it typesetting. So a situation where after everything now you are now rearranging your page setup, the setting will disarrange. So you now got for a very fast typer, for somebody that can type very fast, the setting is the main problem for the person. So when the setting that you have spent a lot of time on, later now you are now rearranging your document and the setting now dissolve, that would be a very serious issue. So at that beginning stage, you will learn your paper orientation. Orientation is when it start up at that, it's called portrait. Like in this case now, this my particular paper now is now in portrait now. But when it's left to right, it's called landscape. Like this my particular page now. Now you now decide your document is in portrait or landscape. In this our work, let's just assume a portrait that is a portrait something. Now you now click on portrait. If you click on landscape, in your present, the entire document will change. Will change its layout. But when you click on landscape, the portrait, the document will change and will arrange.